Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression. Make sure to grab a pen and paper so you can follow along as we work through the problem. Let's get started. Step 1 to solving the problem. Reduce the rational expression to lowest terms for the expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x plus 2 involves factoring the numerator. We start by recognizing that the numerator, which is x squared plus 5x plus 6, is a quadratic expression. To factor it, we need to find two numbers that multiply to 6, the constant term, and add up to 5, the coefficient of the middle term, x. The numbers that satisfy these conditions are 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, we can rewrite x squared plus 5x plus 6 as x plus 2 times x plus 3. Thus, the original expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x plus 2 is altered to the factored form x plus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 2. This transformation simplifies our problem by revealing common factors in the numerator and denominator, which can be cancelled out in the next step. Step 2 to solving the problem. Reduce the rational expression to lowest terms involves simplifying the transformed expression. We now have x plus 2 times x plus 3 over x plus 2. As seen, x plus 2 is a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator. These common terms can be cancelled out. By cancelling out x plus 2 in the numerator and x plus 2 in the denominator, we are left with x plus 3. Therefore, the original expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x plus 2 when reduced to its lowest terms simplifies to x plus 3. This is the final step.